One of the great features on Geo-Pro is its ability to help you draw 30mm side length regular polygons, much larger than other templates that only go to 10 or 15mm. You can see I've drawn one there, very quick to draw a large one, but if you want something a bit bigger, you can use the circular protractor. If I come over here, if I mark 90 degrees, the very top in the channel, then every second one of these small marks here. So I'll skip that one and mark that one. I'll skip this one and mark the next one. I'll count this as a small mark and skip it to mark this one. Skip this one and mark the next one. Skip this one and we're back to the start. So you might be able to see the dots from there, but I can join those up using a straight edge on Geo-Pro. And finally complete the regular pentagon. Now if you want something even larger, another way is to start with one of these smaller ones. I'll go back to the first one that I drew and pick a length, let's say 100 on the straight edge. If I put 100 at the end of one side, then work back and mark the 0 and do this around each side. So if I go to 100 on one end and then mark the 0, again 100 on one end, oops, mark 0, 100 on one end, mark 0, and finally that one. Then I'll mark the sides in, draw all the sides. And you'll see that they also form a regular pentagon, but a much larger one. I think it was this one here. And there you have quite a large pentagon. Now getting back to the circular protractor, you can draw a lot of other shapes using that. If you refer to page 13 in the manual, it lists the key points that you mark. For example, a hexagon, you mark every 60 degrees around the circular protractor, or a square, you do the 45-degree little dots, holes around the protractor. And there are instructions for other shapes there, but I'll leave that for you to investigate. I've drawn some using Geo-Pro that you can see here.